MPs here wa be mo no we respect the security and we make sure say security within the country no solid. But MPP for by ye nyina ni to anya say Ghana for nim Ghana for nemum nya Ghana ni bia na betimi asora akoka bi unless say bia we peace council unless say bia we chief imam unless say we bia panyin bia emrakwa mu no anase ya Ghana nyina gia to mu se wona wo ka bi wom mpanyimfo nyina yedin
sa na mu no
na se ekoso ayeka yaka obi amfi efi se Ghana no de besi biara ensi yenim se police service so we police service a dwumakuo bi a ewo ho ma Ghana man dwumakuo bi a ewo ho ma ye nyinara se ombebo ho ban so we the way peace council ye form a peace council by the constitution omobotaye eni se ombehwe se asundue eni peperio aba wo Ghana ha de so me se omosan tu president efo efa nome bia ekoso within the country especially na efa peace council ho omobotaye biom ni se ombehwe se Ghana police service omo budgeting ekombefa so ombehye omo sika se omo noma omo botaye ba kono no ombotaye nso sa ni se ebeya in terms of international security ombe brief president no monso aye nhyehyeye a entimi emfa or how emana ebema Ghana enkanko ewie peyo when you die and nhyehyeye ewo police council mu enka ya depa na ohwe sa police council no a anse ne betimi aform police council no say vice president chairperson eba na aba attorney general enso eka ho bi eba na aba police no ankasa president obi panyi emaneda police na no IGP ono so eka ho bi eba bi mu a na asaba retired police officer senior police officer ono so ka ho bi junior officer ono so ka ho bi yeba legal practitioners especially Ghana Bar Association almost rep eka ho bi we mu nyina eka ho ema form Ghana police council na we mu wiana Ghana aban president so nipa mienu aka omo ho ento wi president nominee oyiye no oba baako na bema baako Brena Champon I think so I know minister of state. It is a wusha ye constitution no to me sene ye nebon pese nsesemra nsesemba say ye petition ne ye no mama nsesem timi ba police service through the police council. It is say so wushe ni pay amabubo mu nyina din a so we have vice president or homa president we attorney general and justice or homa president we interior minister or homa president we Brena Champon president or homa president we ye maame no Akufu or something or no so homa president it we president nko a nipa 6 ewom make a president men ka say MPP aban na na do tanko kufa as Ghanaian president bi awo biara emra say you have about 6 na so anybody biara na say council bi awo who dominate with 6 people no it means say ya wo dia wo kanu enewom now a crime bench na police for be form be your madwuma. It's impossible when political parties are concerned. When political power, the president by is concerned. Because now, the other way you know say, Mr. Champon or national security. You name what happened? Ayawaso. Say, okay, peace council. And to me, I mean, let us young can quarry. Say, assuming say. BBS, let's say so ye BB bois Ghana, and also drink Ghana first. Will it be possible? And to me, possible. Because you know the track record. To me, I think that baby Ghana do no. Say and say papa ye beye ama Ghana nkanko Ghana mpuntu kriye abagana ese sa peace police council we to me says immediately ye nsakra ewom na yetimi edi pebe bito niema Ghana security agencies no including Ghana police service no ye independent Dr. Ya okokasa ye police ni okokasa ye so be ku achi no kwatumi Dr.
Yes.
Dr.
Asibe.
No, yes. Ghana full name no. Our caucus car say yes, police for near Juma. From hierarchy, president nipa. From hierarchy, vice president chairperson. From hierarchy, ya chechiri police for answer sa dia ba down. Ebe don ma ye Juma. And Ghana ha akukuduro for ne nyebisa o. Sa akukuduro for within the Ghana Police Service no. Man we he nsem pi ho no mo kan ye when we in power. Seriously, intimidate say papa wa akukuduro and oka na adwene. Because onim say adwuma wo ye no sa na eso eden oye no ene me no wo kasa yi obi na no kope ne ho asem ko kan sansem we ye nyina nim ba bia ko wie Ghana obiara ehwe enti obi ti say sama no ono oye police ni commissioner penyi pa na because of nsem o kan ye ba bia na ko uju say police officer sabo ye junior officer be there.
So are you saying you cannot trust the police to me ensure say
the police look, professionally, they are good people. They want to work. They know their work. But I'm telling you, because of the political influence, we don't trust the. That is why they be a more problem.
But are you police for influence a political related violence? More political parties in Amusha. But you could do
that is the point.
So why did they come and cut down on the police?
That is the point because one.
But Metro man from one of my employees. And the service of this Metro guy.
They blame the police because of the police council. Politically, ya for me, but a political council, your police council.
The police council is so
correct.
Almost to ensure the police service.
They supervise everything about Ghana Police Service.
What I'm saying is that more political parties, no.
Yes.
More na most engage the service of this vigilante group.
Exactly.
More na most exactly.
Yes.
And more supporters na here. So why do you blame the police?
We blame the police because at the end of the day, the IGP or the police for no. So to me, out no can be. Because young political parties in there, media debate me abuan say, sa constitution ye form a police council no, say immediately ye bibi efa home. Ghana Police Service omo ye dwuma pa ho. So utu kwan na so wo hwe abosobodi a ye de ma Ghana Police Service.
So you didn't trust the police to me
2020 we ebi be ye dwuma. Ebi awia ta so say on be ye dwuma. Na omo a political color attitude omutini de, we don't trust them.
You don't trust them?
No, because one, I think it is time for us. Me say NDC nyami aduna 2020 ba. Asem we I will champion it. Seriously say, yempe ko ebe fa so Ghana for ho beto omo. Na politically ye nyai enome bia ye de achichi police for a chese yemma police Ghana police service.
The police service or other security agencies in account.
Other security agencies can imagine they see wo e yeta ma ye registration. Imagine this is the first time Ghana Armed Forces so-called omo ko hono nye army like army papa no omo yesa no omo di MPP for echi a omo yesa no nyina nye police papa for no hono mo a
okay soldier for the police
soldier for no police for nyina papa for ho omo no ho ono ka ton ko ya onye omo ya so omo ntare omo ye me I have the belief said they are not proper police officers. They are not proper military officers because the military officers are kremu from 19 kojoho. Look, they don't behave like that. Say military man only no cry any problem or try to or hack or the say now we're explaining no matter for you to know your left from your right as an ordinary person. Police officers, no matter how or the police officer or trained officer, no matter how ubu afu obetimi akamo down and then the AC hwe wase police need na okura AK-47 trained police officer na vigilante also national security no way a pistol say nya no mo no tonkuno look at you so no you understand look at ayawaso say your police proper police officers ye no mo ye no ma ye adwuma from over 50 years today no to date no omo nyesa never. So now, come with the call ya the Ghana Police Service. IGP to who? Ya the Ghana Police Service and we brutalize a man for omu to 2 a man for 777 previous. Oh say ɛno na police fo ni bi nya akukuduro ekɔkɔka yeso mbeeku ni ache omakosie because ye January obeka magana nya the freedom NDC Samuel wo abemu na wo papa wo ya this same man and some oka ono ocha na adwen oka na adwen his olecha oka de ma no quarry eba the ma entro eba and to me with Ghana Police Service with Ghana Security the mesra say for now obianka na komanto ne God willing I think say mpanyimfo nyina nko omumum na samra no ye aban bi aba onu oni Ghana Police Service especially Ghana Police Service aban bi aba oni Ghana Police Service because nipa wo mu nyina no aban na afọ wo Attorney General aban na afa no Interior Minister aban na afa no na President appointing nipa mienu IGP aban na afa no just say nipa 6 aden and the police force cannot do their work but I trust said they are professionals when they omunya the good backing that's omunya akukudro say backing way make kasa ye nyamehwe eye both MPP and NDC asema make eye both MPP and NDC so police nika so ye na djuma ne hotia ne atage no ye tag ope you are in trouble and we obeja you know ma ba bia obekwa akwohye no ni na is just because of this police council issue because we need to me bia uye bibiara said to me the police officers no ebi yedma no mo target to omo ya target omo with MPP colors in there omo imagine say 2020 elections they will do anything and ombe mess up with Ghana which will not be possible because omo ankasa colleagues police for will not accept
mamena was yenia Saribidi akweta fe no Obama ye former DC we wa twoma obi agya na moti ne ka no I shira 104.5 23 minutes after 9 Victor Osepoku so Uncle Victor na bokode
yes in nyame ado
bia ye fine
menya your friend is kakra but voice no e down but
mate nimsu na menyi we tewu famre wo ho
e down
na memra na yini komo na fa ye down